Good morning and welcome back to Dad Bod Trading, the most average, boring trading that you will ever find on YouTube or anywhere else. But that's okay, we like it that way. Makes it more relatable, right? One of the things that really bothers me about a lot of these trading people online is that they're like these superhuman people that are way smarter than the rest of us, and um, I don't know if it's because they're further along in their trading journey or if they're just that smart or that I'm that dumb. But anyway, doesn't matter. That's not our goal here this morning. Um, let's see. Hang on, got a text message. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, work stuff. Yeah, so what we're looking at here, what I was finishing up saying was that you have these guys that are like, look at my house, look at this, look at the gains that we make and everything. And I'm sure that a lot of them I'm sure are actually making those gains. But when they make it seem like you can learn it in, 2 months' time or 3 months of time, they're like, this one student, they were only in our program for 2 weeks and now look at them, they're making $5,000 every day or something, and then you dig into that testimonial there, and you find out the person had a background in finance, and they understood money. They weren't just your average Joe that was a construction worker, and yeah, I'm sure there's smart construction workers out there that have done very well in trading and in trading education. But the point I'm trying to make is that can be super discouraging to dumb people like me, where you're like, okay, I have been trading. Um, okay, I've been dabbling in the stock market for a couple years, yeah, but actually determined to learn how to day trade a year and 3 months ago. And it's like, man, this is hard. And again, maybe it's just because I'm that below average, which is fine. But I think that a lot of people, when they go to trade, they're just they have these lofty expectations of what they should be doing or able to do, and it's not realistic. It's really not it's not normal. So anyway, so much for the monologue of me trying to make myself feel better for not being an awesome trader after a year and 3 months. But it's sometimes you just have to be real with yourself and be like, okay, well, when I first started, I thought, yeah, heard the stories about the guys getting good at it, and in a 2 weeks, well, 2 weeks went by. Okay, I guess I'm not that smart of a person, but how about 2 months? And nope, after 2 months, nope, still working through things. And after a year, okay, I guess I'm not one of those smart guys that gets it done, gets it figured out in a year. And then you just have to I just have to kind of say, hey, okay, I guess I'm average. So, and you just have to be okay with that. If you're not okay with that, then you give up. And that's the worst thing you can do because, like my wife told me the other day, the worst thing you can do is give up because hard work pays off in the long run. And I believe that. So I'm going to keep believing it. I see the potential in the stock market. I'm, part of these groups, chat groups and everything, and there's guys that are nailing it. They call out the shots before they happen, and of course I try to learn from them, but they're really good at it, but they've been doing it for 15 years. So come back in 15 years and see how I'm doing, I guess. But anyway, okay, so we're looking at a couple things here this morning. Let me check. I did not have a whole lot of time to prepare this morning. I won't get into my excuses, but I'm going to go off of somebody else's watch list, which isn't always the best choice to make, but I'm a realist, and it's like if I don't have time to prepare, I'm going to go to somebody else's watch list that I trust, and I'm not going to. Uh, I'm gonna, not just blindly follow them, but I'm going to take a look at some of the more popular ones here with higher volume. So we've got CVS had earnings, I believe, and let's see here, earnings insights. Beat the earnings. Revenue is up. So it looks like they beat everything. Everything. Guidance, that's what I'm interested in. So, per share. So, what was it? So, everything looks good. I don't. Excuse me. It's down pre-market, so I don't know. That's an interesting one. CVS has been doing really well, apparently. Pretty much only been going up for the last 3-4 months. Okay. Sorry, I was cutting tile yesterday, and a bunch of the dust got into my nose. Okay, so CVS, I don't know. It could be a good red to green or something like that. I guess I'll put it on here. This is one of those perplexing times when the earnings is good, the outlook is good, but for some reason, investors didn't like it. So, anyway, we'll see what it does here. It might jack up and be a decent red to green. One that I am very interested in right now is Spirit Air. They kind of skunked us out the other day, but it's been holding its gains. So that means that it has room to grow. So I'm going to say, if it can break this right here, that'd be a great thing. Be a fantastic thing. Yeah. Okay. So Spirit's there. Peloton. Peloton. I think it could be a decent red to green move if it can hold this level. About 30, 36. If it can hold 36 and then go red to green, that would be awesome. I would take that. That'd be a good. Sell it into resistance here at about 39. Yeah, I would take that. That'd be good. So, yeah. So we'll leave that on the screen over here. CVS. What's ENPH? ENPH. What is it? Enphase? Whoa. Whoa. Hello there. Interesting. Yeah, I don't want to touch it above 190. Yeah, I would say give me an alert. Ah, create alert. That and above. Perfect. Alerts are awesome. They really are. Let's see. Newer. Okay, so this is going to be bullish. Nice gap. Oh, it's below the gap. Wow. Okay. Low of 77? 83. Wow. Okay. So, the options looking like on here. Whoa. Terrible spread. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. Spreads are pretty nasty. Lift. Hey, lift is good. We like lift. Earnings? Yeah. So it got a downgrade. Another downgrade. Okay. Whoopsie. Looks like it was decent. It was good. Um, I don't like where it's headed though. It's heading into this whole channel here, so. Um, Options are meh, they're okay. Spread isn't terrible actually. We can keep this on. Facebook. What's Facebook doing here? Yeah, okay. What do we want here? What are we looking for? 25. 25. It could have, if this is an actual bounce here. Let's see if we can break this level. Let's see if we can do that. If it can do that, then I think that we could be good. We really want it to get above the previous day's high. So we'll give it a shot here. Okay, so if we do have lift, man, I think our first target would have to be not much. 43. Yeah, man, I don't know. Seems a little bit. I don't like this. This is what I don't like. So we have, let's just say, for the sake of argument, you have a whole bunch of support here. Yeah. Nine. Then you also have a bunch of support here ish. Yeah. Right there. And above that, you have all this, but yeah. Now, if it fails, what are we going to do? We have support here, of course, from yesterday. Let's have support here at 40.50. Let's have pre-market levels. What do they look like? Support at 41. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. When I have to struggle really hard to find levels, it kind of makes me wonder. It's like, okay, is this even going to be worth watching? Because honestly, okay, let's say we break this high, break 42. Where's our goal? Safe goal would be the half number of 42.50. And you're only going to get 50 cents, which, hey, that's okay. If you have the delta of your option at, say, 50 or 60, well, 50, yeah, around 50, make $25, which is about 10%. That's not terrible. But I don't know. We'll have to see. We will have to see. Oh, I should mark this. Mark. The previous day's close. In my side chart, I have that. Ba-dum-ba-dum-bum. Make it white. There we go. Okay. Facebook. I want to go back to Facebook here because I think it has potential. I think it has a decent amount of potential to bounce pretty good if it can deal with, take care of this. So you have a bunch of people that probably shorted it. Here, the second top here, doubled up their position. Maybe they tried to short it up here. And then they were riding pretty nicely. It looks like it got squeezed just a little bit at the end. But the people that are still holding are pretty scared. Now it's a higher priced stock, so I don't know that there's going to be a whole bunch of idiots short selling it that don't know what they're doing, But we'll see. Short squeezes have been known to happen. Yeah, even on larger cap stocks. Yeah, it was really when I left yesterday, I was like, man, Peloton, it was looking pretty good, but I didn't think it was going to run that much. Like, I didn't think that the CEO leaving was going to be that good of news. But you could have bought this at any time before 11 and made decent money on it. So I think I had mentioned that the aggressive play would have been to buy it off the red-green line here and then just march up with it. In an ideal situation and world, you would buy, five or 10 contracts here. Eliminate 3/4 of your position at the main resistance here. And then, excuse me, let the rest of it ride. What's this? 37. Where was 37 along here? Nah. Yeah. I don't know. It was really clean. Probably would have sold it around in here. But yeah, that's just a really beautiful chart right there. Very, very beautiful. So maybe a red to green on here. So let's see here. Are you supposed to be up here? Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? You need help? Where's mommy? Here. Hey, hey, come here. I'll help you get these last two bites, but then you have to go back down, okay? Because the market's almost ready to open up.
Hey, Dad. What about my sock? Running. Did you do my name? Did you do my name
Yep, Patrick Industries. There you go. Okay, here. There you go. Okay. Go ahead and take this back down. I'll close the door behind you, okay? Okay, let's see here. I'm trying to figure out sorry about that. Trying to figure out size. Background. Trying to figure out a text thing here. Okay, where's the emojis? That's cool. Okay. We don't want that. Corners, background, fixed position. I guess this. There's that. Did that come through okay? Yeah. Okay, anyway. I'm just trying to let's go back to our main thing here. So market opens. Let's see what everything does. Save. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Only human. So we're gonna. Okay, so we're gonna do. I'm gonna wait just a little bit. I think we're gonna do. Where's the. What? Wait a couple minutes. Would really like the second candle to break here. Spy's looking good. Unfortunately, the Q's is not. The Q's is failing, so who's going to win? Is it going to be the bearish or the bullish? Which one? Okay, let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. Come on. Okay, no, I'm gonna hold off here. It's so tempting. I think it's gonna do it. That's the thing, but I really want the second candle to close here. Okay, everything else is going up. I'm gonna get in. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so we're gonna call 15, and our goal is going to be. And go for probably 20, 26.50. 26.75. Let's do that. 26.75. That's going to be the top of this candle here, basically. So. Peloton is looking like it's failing just a little bit. Still wanting that red to green on lift. There you go, Spirit. Let's do this. Alright, Peloton. Give that some time to work. Yeah. Facebook. There you go. Okay, we're going to get in on Facebook. 210. Okay. Okay. That's good. Alright, so our goal here is going to be, I would like 228 is what I would like. So where are we at here on the chart? Okay, hitting this support area. Give it some time to work. Like Peloton's wanting to do its thing. Okay, so I'm going to, it looks like save is doing what we wanted it to. And we're going to wait for this 75 level, 0.75 level. Looks like Peloton is doing its thing. That's good. Alright, so I'm going to actually get out of Spirit. Because it's not being profitable. Yeah, I'm just going to get out of it. So, small loss on that. And then we want Facebook. How are you looking, Facebook? Are you healthy? I'm going to leave it for a little bit. I'm still kind of wanting 28, but might just take this. Yeah, I'm going to take this here. Well, I'll let it go for a little bit. Let's see what it does at 226 here. I have some room. See what the Q's does here. Apple and Tesla here. See what they're doing. Might be indicative. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get out here at 2:44. I don't know. I'm kind of just. I guess the SPY and Qs are still kind of going up, so I'm going to be careful here. Don't want to sell myself short, you know? Okay, yeah, I'm going to get out here. 255. Do 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 do. Somebody said XPEV is going for it, so let's see. Oh, it's not bad. It wanted to fill the gap, but didn't quite. I'm liking the look of Peloton. Da, 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 da. Save hit our goal. It's just the options are pretty much worthless. They're not gaining in value really, so. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Do 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 do. Apple just split. Okay. I'm not ready to rush into it yet. There's enough support on the Qs, and there's enough support here. Oh, let's see here. Spirit's still going. Nice. I still like that 75 level. 2675 level. But man, this is wanting to march up here to 2750. It's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Bum. Yeah, look at Apple. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I don't know, man. I used to be able to trade Apple just fine. I think it was. You think there's 2020. No, this is 2021. The beginning of 2021, I was able to trade it pretty well, but for some reason, recently, I have not done well with Apple. So, and there goes the cues. Glad I'm out of Facebook. It's looking a little ugly. Hmm. Let's see, Baba. Baba, Baba, what can you do, Baba? Do 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 do. Oh, yeah. Of course, everything is up, but doesn't mean that everything is in a bullish trend right now. There goes Tesla. I hope my man who was going long on it is out of it by now. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Okay, so AMD just went red on the... Oh! Oh, oh, oh. This is why it's good to prepare and not be late for your preparation, because... hitting up on this beautiful 130 level. And honestly, as soon as it couldn't hold 130, could have been in on it. Hey, that's not what I wanted. Look at that. Now it's red on the day, and that could have been very beautiful. A lot of wicks, though. I mean, that will affect the price of options, and as long as it would have been held through all of this, then it's probably still be pretty good value. Oh, everything's crashing. Ugh, excuse me. Mm. Poor Lyft. It really wants to go red to green. It really does, but the greater market's like, no, not today. What was that quote? It's like, shh, only dreams for you now, little one. So there's some pre-market support here at the Qs. So if it can bounce off of that, then might have a nice little rebound for Lyft there. And it's the one time that it would have worked on Apple. I mean, just look at that. It's not much range, though, I guess. Maybe that's why it's harder to trade. It's like it has a much shallower range. Spirit's going up again. Third green day. Yeah, those options I was doing, I mean, they're not very lucrative. They're not. I mean, again, the range is buy at 34 cents and we're up at 80s. It's 50, not even 50 cents. Yeah, no, it wouldn't have been worth it even buying the in the money stuff. So, now if you had a big account and you were buying shares, that's, hey, great. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bounced off of that. Support, nice. Man, Peloton was the place to be yesterday. It really was. Alright, so we have break of high of day. That's good. I don't like the spread. It's $20 of spread. I don't like that, but we'll see. The rest of the market's just kind of going, nah, I think I'll stay down here. Well, I think I'm gonna hop off. Made about $25. So I mean it was 10% on the Facebook calls there. So I think I'll probably hop off and get ready for work. So we are looking at on the spy. We are looking at a nice breakdown there. Potentially, you can break the bottom of this channel. Da 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 da. Oh yeah, Disney. They're gonna do stuff after the market, I think, right? Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna call it quits for now, and yeah. Thanks for joining me. Sorry for the hacking and coughing there, but yeah, gonna call it a day. Call it a morning, and we will see you tomorrow, bright and early. Thank you for joining, and stay healthy, stay inspired, and never give up. Take care.